OnePlus lied about the storage of the OnePlus 12R, and there are many angry buyers. The context is as follows. During its launch presentation, OnePlus was talking about a new specific engine to work on the performance of this device called Trinity Engine. During the explanation of this Trinity Engine technology, OnePlus mentioned that the storage was UFS version via 4.0. That is, an exaggeratedly fast version of storage that is usually used only in the most premium devices. That is why it was so attractive that in a device focused on the mid-range we had present this version of storage, and that caused many buyers to get excited and acquire this device based solely on having this UFS version 4.0 storage in an economic device. Because you have to remember that many OnePlus fans actually are this type of tech fans that look a lot at the specs and details. Since for a slightly less tech-savvy user, this will possibly go unnoticed and not notice the difference in practical life. But OnePlus buyers and customers do pay close attention to these details, and that is why OnePlus released a post on its own forum apologizing for this mistake they had made and announcing that in fact this device has the UFS 3.1 storage, which is still very fast, but it is not what they had said in their presentation. And in that same forum, there are several responses from angry users asking OnePlus to give refund for users who had bought this device for that feature. This device is being distributed in 128 or 256 GB versions, and previously it had been implied that the 256 GB version is the one that had the UFS 4.0 storage and the 128 UFS 3.1 version, but that is not the case. In fact, on its website still, OnePlus is still advertising that this device has UFS 4.0 storage. So it seems that this correction needs to go to all levels, including the marketing team, the web design team, and everyone to change it. This leaves an important lesson for mobile device manufacturers, and that is that users are going to be seriously pissed off if they make a mistake in their device specs. Let me know in the comments if you know any application that allows us to know the storage version we have on our devices.